Howdy, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Together
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
So today we're going to show you some shoulder strengthening exercises. This is not for the athlete or the person who is trying to bulk up. This is for the person who's having pain maybe, and they're doing our stretches, and they want to start progressing to some rehab,
Right.
some strengthening. And so we're going to show you 5 basic, not too aggressive exercises.
Right. Things to get you back in that daily function, getting dressed, lifting things in and out of the cupboard, doing some chores around the house.
Without pain. So the first one, it's really important that the shoulder blades be in the right position.
Mm-hmm.
And quite often what you'll find is those shoulder blades tend to separate out a little bit too far. And we want to make sure that they're in the right place. So what we have my patients do is I have them do shoulder squeezes throughout the day. So basically, you're going to go ahead and take your shoulder blades and you're going to put them together and squeeze them together like this. You can go like this, do the W.
Yep. This is essentially a posture exercise.
Yes. Keep a good posture while you're doing it. But
So your head's not forward.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just hit, rattle off maybe 5 of them while you're at a desk. Or
Yep. So the chest goes out, shoulders go back, shoulder blades together, and the chin comes in. Good posture.
Yep. I'd really like to see you doing this quite often. I mean, you could do it every hour. So
Yep. It's
Next.
easy, quick.
next one, Brad, we're going to start working on some shoulder flexion. Brad's going to show you could use a hand weight, and we want you only to go up to 90 degrees.
So right to here.
We're starting to work on the
Not up
rotator
here.
cuff to get some strengthening. Brad's going to show it with a band.
Yep. So we're just going up and down. And I like to do this one with the thumb pointing
Yeah,
up.
me too.
Works out good. And the nice thing about a band is you can infinitely adjust the resistance. I'm going to make it a little tighter if I want, or
You can
a
have
little
2 bands if you
easier.
want.
Yep. Go like different color band. Bands have a
Give
big,
yourself a challenge.
big advantage, and that's why therapists oftentimes use bands over weights for home
Right.
exercises. And there's weights. Weights are okay.
Yep.
But for
Exactly.
this, bands are good.
This next one we already showed people. You want to show that is with the scrub the wall, wax on, wax off.
So we're going up
Yep.
like this.
Again, it's a great way to work on proper form of the scapula and the
Right.
arm.
Shoulders
Yeah,
back.
good posture.
And I can just feel from here to here, I can more easily go up a few more inches with my shoulder blades back where there should be.
Now, this is another one you can do. You can start fairly quickly. It's just isometric abduction. So we're strengthening the shoulder without moving it. So we're going to actually move the arm out this way, but you're up against the wall, so you can't move it out. So you push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, relax. Now, you can also do external rotation, which is you bend the arm to 90 degrees, the elbow, and you're going to do the same thing. That if the wall wasn't there, you'd be pushing out like this.
Mm-hmm.
But you're pushing against the wall. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're keeping the arm in. Sometimes you use the towel underneath the arm.
You mean by the elbow?
Yeah.
So your elbow stays close to the rib cage.
Yeah. So you don't let this fall out.
Right.
Basically, if I did it wrong, I would chicken wing like this,
Yep.
and it would fall out. But then you can do it with the band also. We want to progress to that eventually.
So you need some place to anchor it. And again, if we use the towel, I usually start my patients with a towel. Once they
Yeah.
get the hang of it, then you don't really need it.
Exactly.
And then we're going to use this motion. This is kind of like every therapist in the world
Yeah.
uses this as
It's
one
a
of
good
their.
universal strengthening exercise for the shoulder.
Yep.
It really works that rotator cuff.
Exactly.
Gets a couple of the muscles of the rotator cuff, and it's usually not painful.
Right.
It's
And when you
wonderful
get
to do.
stronger, simply step farther away. If it creates any sharp pain and it's too early, it's not ready for it, you'll have to back off on the resistance or the range.
So 5 simple exercises. You can do them 3 times a week if you'd like, just to get some strengthening, and they shouldn't take you that long.
That's right. Yep. Work
right.
with them and be careful in everything that you do.
Thanks.